Good morning, students. Okay, very good morning all. Okay, all of you had your tiffin. I hope all of you had your tiffin. Okay, now welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantu. Okay, this is 4th standard class. Okay, subject English. Subject English 4th standard class. Okay, see here students, in previous class means yesterday we will start one of the interesting poem I wonder. Okay, we will discuss, we will learn difficult words also. Okay, I wonder. I wonder. Who is the poet of this poem? All of you open your textbook. All of you open your textbook. Page number 45. Page number 45. I wonder who is the poet of this poem. Kathleen Taylor. Kathleen Taylor अथवा Tyler. Okay, Kathleen Tyler is the poet of this poem I wonder. Okay, already we will know the difficult words in this poem. Okay, now we will start the poem. Okay, see here, first one is starter kit. I think yesterday we will learn starter kit. Okay, choose words from the box to complete the sentence. It was natural to fish. It is natural for fish to swim. It is natural for fish to swim. It is natural for birds to fly. It is natural for clouds to give rain. It is natural for the sun to shine. Next, it is natural for children to wonder. It is natural for the wind to blow. Okay, now get set. Now we will start the poem. I wonder that would happen if the clouds forgot to rain, if it never ever rained again. I wonder what would happen. I wonder what would happen if the sun forgot to shine, if it never ever shone again. I wonder what would happen. I wonder what would happen if the wind forgot to blow, if it never ever blew again. I wonder what would happen. I wonder what would happen if the birds forgot to fly, if they never ever flew again. I wonder what would happen. I wonder what would happen if the fish forgot to swim, if they never ever swam again. I wonder that would happen. I wonder what would happen if I forget to wonder, if I never ever wondered again. I wonder what would happen. Kathleen Taylor. Okay, see here students. First start. Okay. I wonder what would happen if the clouds forget to rain, if it never ever rained again. I wonder what would happen. See here students. I. Who reference in this word? I means one of the child. Okay, see this child. See this child. Okay, I means one of the child. I wonder what would happen. The child wonder what would happen if the clouds forget to rain. The clouds forget to rain if it never ever rained again. The clouds didn't give the rain and if it never ever rained again. The clouds never ever rained again. I wonder what would happen. Next, what would happen? Then I wonder what would happen if the sun forget to shine. See here, that child imagine. That child imagine that words. The sun forget to shine. The sun forget to shine, and if it never ever shone again, that sun never ever shone again, I wonder what would happen. That time that child imagine the sun forget to shine and that sun never ever shone again. That time I wonder what would happen. What would happen in the earth, on the earth. Okay. I wonder what would happen if the wind forget to blow. If it never ever blew again, I wonder what would happen. See here, that child wonder again. What? Wind forget to blow. Wind forget to blow, and if it never ever blew again, the wind, if it never ever blew again, that time what would happen in what would happen on the earth? That child wonder, and that child imagined only. It is a imagined. Okay, the child imagined and that child wondered. The clouds forget the rain. The clouds forgot to rain, and if it never ever cloud rain again, that time what would happen in on earth? Then sun forget to shine. The sun forget to shine and never ever shone again. That time what would happen on earth? Then wind forget to blow. The wind forget to blow and never ever blew again. That time what would happen on earth? Okay, that child wonder that things. Okay, I wonder what would happen if the birds forget to fly, if they never ever flew again. I wonder what would happen. See here, next, that child wondered. The birds forget to fly. See here, the birds forget to fly. That time they never ever flew again. The never ever flew again. That time I wondered what would happen on the earth. I wonder what would happen if the fish forget to swim. See here, next one. That child wondered fish. The fish forget to swim. It's possible? No, it is not possible because fish always swim. Okay, fish forget to swim if they never ever swam again. The fishes never ever swam again. I wonder what would happen. That time the child wondered what would happen. I wonder that would happen if I forget to wonder. If I never ever wondered again, I wonder what would happen. See the next, the wonder. See here, that child, I wonder what would happen if I forget to wonder. Yes, that child says, if I forget my wonder imagination, my wonder attitude, that time if I never ever wondered again. Yes, if I never ever wondered again, I wonder what would happen. That time what would happen. Okay, this poem is very easy. Okay, it is so easy. The clouds forget to rain, never ever rained again. It's possible? No, it is not possible. It is not possible. Always clouds rain again and again. Okay, clouds made and they give rain. Okay, forget to shine, never ever shone again. The sun didn't forget to shine. Okay, it's a wonder. Then wind forget to blow. Wind work is a blow. That wind didn't forget to blow. Okay, next, birds forget to fly. It's not possible. Okay, birds always always fly. Okay, birds to fly. Okay, next, they never ever flew again. Birds never ever flew again. It is not possible. Okay, next, fish forget to swim. It is possible? It is not possible. Fish always to swim in pond or river and well. Okay, They never ever swam again. I wonder, that child wondered then, and the last, the child says, I forget to wonder. Yes, this child forget his wonder attitude. If I never ever wondered again. Yes, that child decide, if never ever wondered again, I never ever wondered again, what would happen? Next, what would happen? Okay, now I hope all of you understood this poem. Okay. Okay, now I hope all of you understood this poem. Okay, see here, wondered means ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪಡಾಕತೈತಿ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮೋಡ ಮಳೆನ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಳೆನ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ವಂಡರ್, ಅದು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ನೋ ವೇ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡೋದನ್ನೇ ಏನಾಗ ಮಳೆನ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ ಮೋಡ ಕಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಮೋಡ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದು ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಡೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಏನಾಗೈತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ವಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಾಕತ್ತೈತಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಶೈನ್. ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಶೈನ್, ನೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೈತೆ ಆ ಮಗು, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹೊಳೆಯೋದನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ರ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನ, ಶೈನ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಡೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಶೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ಎವರ್ ಶೋನ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಬರ್ದೇನೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಶೈನ್ ಆಗದೇನೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರ, ಹೊಳೆಯೋದನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಮಗು ವಂಡರ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ. ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ವಿಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ಲೋ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸೋದನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ, ಗಾಳಿ ನಿಂತು ಬಿಟ್ರ, ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಅಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದ ಮಾತು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಮಗು ವಂಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳಿಗೂ ವಂಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮಗು ಆಗ ತಾನೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಯೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದಕ್ಕಿನ್ನೂ ಸಮಯ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮಗು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ವಂಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ. ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಹಾರೋದನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಹಾರೋದನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ, ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ? ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದೇ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ their work, it means fly. Okay, birds always fly. Okay, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಅದು. ಹಾರದೇ ಇರೋಕೆ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫಿಶ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ವಿಮ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಂಡರ್, ಫಿಶ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ವಿಮ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ನೋ ವೇ. ದ ಫಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ ಈಜಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀರೊಳಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಐ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ವಂಡರ್, ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಎವರ್ ವಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ದ ಫೈನಲಿ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನಾನು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಪಡೋದನ್ನೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯನೇ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಯಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ go to read and find. Read and find. Okay, read and find. The birds forget to fly, they would all fall to the ground. What do you think would happen if? See here, it's your homework. ಓಕೆ, ರೀಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ರೀಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್. ಸಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಇಫ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ, ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್, ಓಕೆ, ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಇಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ definitely send these answers, send to you these answers. Okay, next one, do you think it is good for a child to wonder? Fine. Okay, okay, next, now in this poem completed. Next we will go to next lesson. Lesson number 5. Last in a shop. Last in a shop. Okay, next class we will start the 5th lesson. Okay, thank you one and all. I hope all of you understood this poem. Okay.